To another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to convert crypto to fiat and Binance. So the first step is go to the Binance page, and now you need to go to the option of wallet. In the option of wallet, you need to go to the second option, spot, and you pick here in a spot, and you wait for a few minutes, and now you need to wait. Here, you need to convert the cryptocurrency you want to convert to fiat in the BNB. This is the currency of the Binance app. So you need to convert, for example, the Bitcoins what you have and convert to BNB. And after that, you need to pick here and convert, and you need to find a currency with fiat. For example, you have here your BNB, and you pick here, and you the more simple option is the euro. For example, the euro. Here you pick here, and you need to convert the BNB in euro. So this is the process. It's easy to do. This is a count of test, so I don't have the complete the process, but this is the process. It's simple, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.